Filing taxes online has become the go-to for many Americans. And with so many options out there, choosing the right one can make a big difference in how smooth your experience is. Two of the most popular free filing platforms are H&R Block Online and Cash App Taxes. Both promise to help you file your federal and state returns easily without paying a dime, but they take very different approaches. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the best fit for your situation. H&R Block has been a trusted name in taxes for decades, and their online version brings that same reliability to your computer or phone. The interface is clean and guided, walking you step by step through income, deductions, and credits. It feels like sitting with a professional, just without the appointment. Even though they offer paid tiers, their free version covers a lot. You can file a simple federal and state return if you have W-2 income, unemployment, or some child tax credits. If things get more complicated, you can upgrade for more forms or add live help from a tax expert. What makes H&R Block stand out is the support. They offer chat help, live review options, and even the ability to walk into a local office if you ever need hands-on assistance. Cash App Taxes, on the other hand, takes pride in being 100% free for everyone. No hidden fees, no upsells. It used to be called Credit Karma Tax before Cash App bought it, and the goal has stayed the same. Make tax filing simple and truly free. It supports a surprisingly wide range of tax situations, including itemized deductions, self-employment income, rental properties, and cryptocurrency. That is impressive for a free service. The platform integrates directly with the Cash App, so you can deposit your refund right into your balance or use it to buy stocks or Bitcoin if you want. The process is straightforward, but it is definitely more do-it-yourself than H&R Block. There is no real-time live support, and while the software checks for errors, it does not hold your hand as much during tricky sections. So, which one is better for most Americans? If you have a straightforward tax situation and you feel comfortable doing things yourself, Cash App Taxes is hard to beat. It covers nearly every form you could need for free, and it is fast once you get the hang of it. The layout might not be as polished as H&R Block, but the value is unbeatable. Either way, both let you file your taxes quickly from home and get your refund deposited fast. Without the headaches or the paperwork shuffle. The real win is finding the one that fits your comfort level and gives you confidence that your return is done right.